Alright, hello friends, welcome. Today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial. This eye look right here, I wanted to do something a little bit more bold and colorful for a fun Valentine's Day tutorial. I did use this is the Morphe 39S palette. It's a big bore right here. So I used this palette in today's tutorial, but you can honestly use any eyeshadow palette that has similar colors. Before we get started, if you are new here, hi, my name is Jackie and welcome to my channel. Feel free to click that subscribe button or like button if you enjoyed today's video, but let's just jump right into the makeup. Alright, so I'm starting by taking this really light pinky purple shade on my Morphe M519 brush. I'm just going to build that up slowly in the crease, just fluffing it around everywhere, not being super precise. I'll just kind of work with that and keep adding little by little until it's as vibrant as I want it to be. Just keeping this one nice and soft. Next, I'm going in with this gorgeous royal purple matte shade on that same M519 Morphe brush, focusing that on the outer half of the lid and then blending it into the crease. I'm really trying to get a nice blend with that in the first shade. To be honest, it looks a little crazy at first, but I promise it all comes together really beautifully at the end, okay? Just taking that same shade and buffing it across the lower lash line as well. Now I'm going in with this burgundy matte shade on my Colourpop E9 brush and really focusing that on the outer corner, kind of dabbing and slowly blending into that purple shade, trying to make the blend as effortless as possible. Taking that shade on the lower lash line as well, and then back with my M519. No additional product, just really trying to blend that out so everything looks nice and effortlessly combined together. I'm going back in with that first light shade on my Colourpop E2 brush just to try to diffuse the edges even more. Now I'm taking this burgundy shimmer shade on my finger and I'm just going to dab that, focusing on the center of the lid, taking it a little bit into the outer and inner corner, but leaving some space for our inner corner shade later. Just taking my Colourpop E9 brush with no additional product, making sure everything is nice and blended and you still see that deepness. Okay, for some reason I didn't film what shade I chose, but it's the lightest purple shade in the palette, shimmer shade, and I'm taking that on the inner corner as well as a little bit onto the lid to blend into that burgundy shimmer shade as well. I really love these bright shades on the inner corner, you guys know. Taking that same shade on this flat little Alamar brush and just adding a hint to the brow bone. Going in now with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner and just taking that to make a teeny little wing. I didn't want to do anything super crazy and bold. Also, you know me, I would mess that up if I tried. taking the Milk Makeup Kush mascara and just trying to make it look like, you know, I have some sort of
eyelashes.
Alright guys, well that completes today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick little Valentine's Day inspired tutorial. If you did enjoy today's video, definitely click that subscribe button before you leave and the post notification bell so you're notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload new videos. Also click that thumbs up, let me know you liked the video, and comment down below what other types of tutorials or makeup type videos you might like to see from me. Definitely check me out on Instagram as well at JSanchez Beauty. Thank you again so much for your time. I truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!